Hello, Miss Beth here with your instructions for today. Let's go. Okay. Today for your actividad. Okay. First thing. Reportar la asistencia aquí. Pause the video. Fill the form, please. Thank you. Okay. For your actividad inicial, your warm-up, you're going to use words from the new vocabulary about likes and dislikes and respond to the following questions in a complete statement in Spanish. And you submit the answer in the space provided below. So what it means, you click your submit assignment and then you type the sentence right there in the entry box. So you're going to respond to the following question in a complete statement. So you did a practice on this. ¿Qué te gusta más? Pasar tiempo con amigos o jugar videojuegos. You're going to choose one of the two options and then you're going to answer in a complete sentences. So complete sentences we will go like me gusta más and then you pick your choice. And that's what you have to type there. All right. In this part today, in this part of the chapter, you're going to learn about the negative forms that you have probably already answered some practices on that. And also how to agree or disagree when talking about likes and dislikes. You're going to continue to practice the vocabulary that we started seeing last class. And you're going to do some activities in the book. And the activity for today, the assignment for today is called Vocabulario en contexto 2. And here's your video, the one that I'm recording right now. And then I put the vocabulary here that you're going to need, the slideshow. Also put the activity that has the audio. You're going to need this. And also I play a video story. The video story is going to help you with some of the questions in the activities for today. So let's see. This is the grammar part that I hope is going to help you too. Okay, so we are in the activities. Let's go back. So the things that you had to do in your activities is the first one is this video with the grammar for today. The grammar for today is about negatives and how agreeing and disagreeing with people. So you're going to watch this video that talks about negatives. And then that will be for that part. Just watch the video. And then for this part, the vocabulario en contexto 2, you're going to complete these activities. The first activity here is about agreement or disagreement. So when two people, in Spanish, for two people to agree on something that they both like, they are going to use the expression a mí también. A mí también. So a mí también means me too. So somebody says me gusta bailar, the other person says a mí también. Somebody says me gusta cantar, and the other person likes to sing too. They say a mí también. But then there is also something to agree with somebody, but this time not in something that they both like, but they both don't like. For example, I say a mí no me gusta jugar videojuegos. And then the other person agrees with me, so the other person says, a mí tampoco. A mí tampoco. Okay? And that means me neither. So when you agree, you use these expressions only when you agree with somebody. But what happens when we disagree? Then you're going to say, me gusta bailar. But then the other person doesn't like to dance. So then the other person is going to say, when they ask you, ¿a ti te gusta? The other person is going to say, no me gusta bailar. So you have to make a new statement when you disagree. Let's see with this first example. For example, this person, and you complete here with the what is in the picture, the image. So you see that the person is playing soccer, so we don't have in our vocabulary how to say playing soccer, so we're going to use something more general. That is practicar deportes. Practicar deportes. And then, a ti te gusta. Now, this person says sí. So, because the person says sí, we see that they are agreeing. So, you simply are going to type, a mí también. A mí también. And then you got that one. But then, in this one, this person likes, but this person doesn't like. So, when this person likes usar la computadora, and this person disagrees, this person has to make a new statement. No, no me gusta usar la computadora. Okay? And that's how it would go. So you're going to use a mí también and a mí tampoco when you agree with the person, and you're going to use a new statement when you disagree. But we are going to be here in class, so I can help you with that. Let's go to the next one. The next one is just to, you're going to look at the pictures. Well, actually, you have like a smiley, a frowny face. And then it's gonna tell you you like or you don't like something. So you complete with the activity you see there, leer revistas, and then this person doesn't like. So you're gonna say no, no me gusta nada. You're gonna use only these two answers. Those are the only two options that you have to respond to according to the smiley or frowny face. Next activity. You are going to complete the conversations. You have to find in your vocabulary what is the most appropriate answer for the conversation. If you need help, I'll be around so I can help you. We can work it together if necessary. The next one is based on the video. So that's when you go back here and you play this video. This video is going to help you with the answers for these questions. They're going to say where they are, and you're going to complete answering with these names. This one also goes with the video. You watch the video and you answer those questions. This is one more from the video, and this one too. So all these go with the video. And this one you can complete according to yourself and use the activities that you already know. And this last one is an audio activity. You're going to listen to the activities and you're going to check the boxes of the activities that you hear the person is saying. Just check the boxes. You got 5 of those questions. All right. That's it. I hope this helps you, and I'll see you in class. Adios.